Hello friends, this tutorial is all about Wazuh installation and configuration. So you can see this is the file which you have to download. This is the website, okay? So watch carefully. Now one thing you have to keep in your mind that before installation you have to be make sure that your system is capable to install this software. I go to this, I search on Reddit about Wazuh. I want to know that what people actually, how they pronunciate it. So you can see how they pronunciate it, Wazuh, okay, Wazuh. And this is completely free tool, okay. This is completely free software, open source. So anyone can use it. I am going to show you the setup of this SIEM tool step by very step by so that even you are a beginner you can understand it how to set up this inside your machine. Okay, so for this installation you can clearly see this is the link to download. Okay, so I have already downloaded the link. You can see this is the link I have downloaded. Now you can see the hardware requirements. Okay, 4 cores and 8 GB RAM, 50 GB storage, that is the minimum. Okay, so if you are going to install, make sure that you have at least 4 core in your virtual machine available. Okay, 8 GB RAM available in your virtual machine and 50 GB storage. Otherwise if you don't have this then your system will not support. Now you can see the display will be this, and the by default username password will be visible during the deployment. Okay, even after the installation you can see it, and you can also find the IP address and then you can log into the server. Okay, so all the detailed information, all the documentation are here on this website. I have just opened the Wazuh website and you can see all these information are here. The rest of the information are not for you. Okay, all the important information which is actually important for you, that I have already mentioned. Now I am going to start the installation. So open the file. Okay, so this is the file here. I just open it and just double click it and it will automatically open. Okay, so if you notice here 8 GB RAM automatically taken, then just click on and you can see that it's importing. So the processing is going on the right hand side, no, right hand side top. Once it's done, when it will be 100% done, I will show you the rest of the configuration which is required for this setup. Okay, so let it be done, because before installation, before it's imported completely, I'm not able to show you how to log in and how to install, what are the settings you need to do. Already told you 8 GB RAM required, 4 cores required, 50 GB space required. Okay, so done, everything done here. So I just taken floppy drive and all these things. So but see, if you don't want to make changes here, you don't need to make changes. Okay, I have made changes here to work them perfectly, but you can even don't make these changes, it will work fine for you. But I am showing you that I'm not using floppy drive, and I am going to how to remove this floppy drive and how to add the hard drive. Okay, I have also shown this, but here you don't need to do all these things because I'm going to troubleshooting a lot of things because people are trying to fix them. So even you try to fix them, you can see what's happening there. Okay, but finally I'm going to discard all these changes, because in the display section you can see this is a VBox and you have to use this one. Okay, this is important. But finally what I did, if you cross it, if you just simply cancel it, it will automatically take the default one, okay, which is perfect for this Wazuh app. So Wazuh application will automatically select the best for them. Okay, so what I am doing right now, you can even remove it. Okay, you can even remove it, or you don't need to do this. I am doing this because I want you to understand how to add if it's required. Okay, if it's not working, then you can add in this way. If it's not working in your system, you can add the drive space in this way. Okay, you can add the hard disk space, that 5 GB 50 GB space, how you can allot the 50 GB space to your machine. So I'm showing you the process how you can do this. Okay, you can see here 50 GB space I will assign, uh, which is mandatory. 50 GB is mandatory, it had shown the on the website. Okay, I just click it. Okay, so all the requirements which needed done. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply close it. Actually I have done everything, because now the perfect everything is fine here. Okay, so I will just, what I will do, I will just cancel it. Okay, Cancel it, cancel it, cancel. And now I will just start it because it will work now. It's done now. So if you are able to see, you can see it's booting. Once it will boot, it will automatically show you. So you can see Wazuh, the open source security platform. Okay, once it will boot, I will show you where it's mentioned the username, login name and password. Okay, so you can clearly see here username Wazuh user and password is also Wazuh. And this will be also available once the installation done. It will display it on your screen. So just wait. Let me make it full screen. Okay, now it's working fine. So you can see username and password, everything mentioned at the top. Okay, so now it's asking for login. Just type here Wazuh dash user, and when it will ask you for the password, simply type Wazuh, and then it will log in. Once it's login, you simply have to type the IP address of the Linux machine. Okay, so you can see the IP address 192.168.29.67. 29.67. Remember this IP address? Now you can open this in your web browser. How to access this in web browser? Go to web browser and type the IP address 192.168.29.67. Let me check this IP 29.60. Yes, 67. Perfect. So 29.67, and it will work. Okay, it's not working because we have to type HTTPS. So just type HTTPS before this IP address. So HTTPS and then IP address, then go with the advanced mode, and advanced mode go with this connection. And here it is. Now the username and password here, that will be admin. Okay, admin. And that's all. You are logging to the Wazuh web. And from here you can do a lot of tasks. This is a complete security framework, and you can see here, this is the framework, this is the login panel, and you can see all those information here, all these things, monitoring, log monitoring, everything available here. So if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, don't forget to like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep enjoying.